This is Flight Instructor Nick. Today we'll be covering required inspections and airplane logbook documentation. 14 CFR 91.213 deals with inoperative instruments and equipment. The owner or operator of an aircraft is primarily responsible for maintaining that aircraft in an airworthy condition as outlined under 14 CFR 91.403. Some of these duties are outlined in 14 CFR 91.403, 91.407, and 91.417. Part of ensuring that the aircraft you intend to fly is airworthy and in condition for safe flight involves verifying that all required inspections have been completed. The chart below, which is right here, summarizes what to look for. We're looking for annual inspections and ADs every 12 calendar months. This is the 14 CFR regulation 91409. VFR checks if used for IFR every 30 days. 14 CFR 91.171. The 100-hour inspection if used for hire or flight instruction is every 100 hours as outlined in 14 CFR 91.409B. Altimeter and pitot-static system every 24 calendar months as outlined in 14 CFR 91.411A1. Transponder every 24 calendar months as outlined under 14 CFR 91.413. The ELT, emergency locator transmitter, operation and battery currency every 12 calendar months, and see reference for replacement schedule outlined under 14 CFR 91.207. GPS and RNAV navigation databases required for IFR navigation. For any flight, VFR or IFR, check aircraft flight manual supplement for any additional restrictions or authorizations, and it's usually done every 28 days. But the aircraft flight manual supplement is the controlling document. What instruments are required for VFR flights? I use the acronym for day flights A, tomato flames. A stands for altimeter. T is tachometer. O is for oil temperature gauge. M is manifold pressure gauge, if it applies. A is airspeed indicator. T is temperature gauge for each liquid-cooled engine. O is for oil pressure gauge. F is fuel gauges. L, landing gear position indicator, if it applies. Anti-collision lights for aircraft manufactured after March 11th, 1996. M is magnetic compass. E is for ELT. S is seatbelts. And if you happen to be flying at night, just add flaps. F is fuses, circuit breakers. L is landing light. A is anti-collision lights. P is position lights. And S is source of power. That concludes today's instruction on required instruments for VFR flight.